So guys, first bonus $1.50 bet. Come on, drop something with some words on it, baby. Nice. 3 minis. That's Purdy. Drop that major. It's only at 510, but we'll take it for sure. Come on, baby. 2 spins remaining. All right. Bet back. Ooh. $9 more, homie. Count it up. All right, we need $150, baby. This is actually session 3. The other 2 sessions did not go as planned, so we sure needed that one. Sweet. Very next spin, we got it again. Come on, baby. $15 ball up there. Let's drop it. Nice. Come on, baby. Back-to-back hold'em spins. That is rare for sure. It's good timing. Not too bad, especially for a back-to-back. Can't go wrong. Come on, give me my 150. Ain't quite there yet, but we working on it. Few spins later, up my bet to 2 cents, $2 a spin. Got the mini, which is worth 20 automatically, and a 2,000 ball, which is worth 40 for me. Yes, sir. We on our way to the 150 for sure. Oh, and another. Come on, baby. Keep it going. That's what we needed. Coming back in the game. Come on, baby. Give me another ball. No matter what, that's a good one. Needed it for sure. Excellent. It's got the anthem music playing. You know that's a good one. Uh-oh. $200 mark. Let me get a few backup spins and see what happens.